We are sorry with a warm and heavy heart that it has been revealed that a volcano literally the size of Pluto would explode, obliterating the planet known as Earth. Sadly, this is unstoppable and is located in Russia, also the biggest country in the world. When it erupts, it would instantly destroy Earth. You could close your eyes or plan to shoot yourself. Please do not commit suicide if you have children or family. Well, if you are part of any religion, then you should start asking forgiveness or start praying, because the is would strike in sampu minutes. Well, if you want to commit suicide, then do it now, because you will only have a few minutes before a painless death. If you have children, then do not tell them. Instead, play a game with them or spend their last minutes with them.
Good evening, everyone. From me, Susanna Simons.
And from Desmond Carrington.
And believe